En fender där, en där, en där. Start up this one. And I think actually I think I do like this. I think I do it like this. Actually.
So you're using one of these to hold the boat while you get the others off, right?
Yes, when you're alone you have to improvise.
Yeah.
That's the easiest way.
Yeah.
But this one is really long, it takes
some time.
to get it.
Guys, I did offer him help, but he wants to do it by himself, and I said, do you want some help, or do you want me to film? So he wants me to give him some nice footage to help him along.
I pulled the boat against me to get some slack in the line. You can never lose the bowline knot if it's not slack.
Yeah, that rope's quite long out there, so you just need some time with that extra rope there just to hold the boat in place while he gets that long line in. Really good idea, actually.
And pull a bit on this line too. And the 3 is on an angle, so I have looped the line 2 times around the 3. Så!
Almost there.
See you!
See you maybe in a couple of days.
Maybe. I hope so.
Yeah. Have a good time in Stora Nassa.
Here I just pull the boat out with the windlass. Then I take care of all the lines before I pull the anchor up the last bit.
Now that, my friends, is the work of a professional. You can tell that he's been doing that for a lot of years. He's had that boat since 2007, I think. So yeah, I mean, I don't think I'd dare to moor Aurora by myself against the rocks unless the wind was very dead or there was people there ready to help me, you know. Maybe I'll try it one day with the Anchormatic system. It makes it possible, but we'll see in the future. But yeah, great guy. That's Henrik from My Boat and My Life. Well, there goes Henrik with the mini monster on the back. That's what he calls the dinghy. It's quite a cool name, actually. See you, buddy.
Stora Nassa is wonderful. This is the cliff the children was jumping from last year. watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.